Welcome to New England Wire Technologies, where we've been creating high-quality custom cable solutions for 125 years. In honor of our anniversary, we're taking you on a 125-second tour of our state-of-the-art wire manufacturing facility. This is where the magic happens. Hang on tight and enjoy the next 125 seconds. From start to finish, we manufacture all our custom cable within our 385,000 square foot facility, located here in Lisbon, New Hampshire. And to meet the future needs and demands of our customers, during the summer of 2023, we broke ground on a new 38,000 square foot expansion. This addition will allow for significant capacity expansion of our extrusion department and will also open additional space in other manufacturing areas to permit continued growth and capability enhancements. With true vertical integration, our on-site manufacturing processes include wire drawing, plating, braiding, cabling, insulating, and extrusion services, making it possible to customize our products to meet the unique needs and time constraints of our customers. Operating 3 shifts, 5 days a week, our 420-plus employees design and manufacture innovative wire and cable solutions for a variety of industries, including medical electronics, medical surgical, robotics and automation, alternative energy, military and defense, industrial manufacturing, coil winding, communication and control, audio and video, and science and research. As we look back on our success over the past 125 years, we also look forward with anticipation and excitement for what lies ahead. With our team of dedicated employees who share the same spirit of innovation and excellence, we can't wait to see what the future holds. We hope you've enjoyed this 125-second tour of New England Wire Technologies. Thanks for joining us on this fun and speedy tour.